ReSound! Listen, match, recall, and win. Hello, everyone! I'm going to play a sound and choose a player. This player has to find the topic of this sound. Humans, animals, vehicles, or music. Let's start with player 1, the player with the longest hair. When you're ready, press play. Aha! I knew it would be you. Let's go! Not bad. I'm going to play a new sound. You first have to press the topic of the first sound, then the topic of this new sound. Don't sweat, it wasn't too hard. Well done! Well, what happened there? You're out! Listen carefully. I will play 2 sounds this time. Player 3, do you think you can do better? Impressive! Ouch! Player 1, you're out! Player 3, you're the last player standing. You have won! Congrats!
It's fun, it's fast, it's challenging. It's ReSound by Zansu.